Hello folks, my name is Nicholas Keels and this is the execution report for CIT 380's Group 3 project. Other people included in this project were Anthony Betts, Spencer Browning, Robert Palmer, Aseneth Burnham, and Keith Downing. Our project was to host a young women's activity in Aseneth's personal home to help encourage the young beehives to get more active in their personal progress activities. Planning for this project relied heavily on the Beehive presidency to meet together and plan how they were going to purchase the treats, get invitations made, get them distributed out to the members of the Beehive group, as well as to more actively involve the inactive members of the ward. For productivity, we were successful. However, we had the obstacles of one of our members, Shane, canceling and Sally being late, which overall hurt the ability for them to contribute in future activities. For the quality of this project, the girls were excited to take part on planning, and we were able to get less active girls more involved in the planning of future activities, so we hope to see them more when we do this in the future. And as for cost, at the end of the project, we were able to spend under budget by 74 cents. As we can see here, gas, ice cream, and materials were the contributing factors in spending under budget, whereas treats was just over the estimated balance that we thought we were going to spend. However, that didn't push us over budget because everything else was shortly under what we envisioned it to be. As for risks and obstacles that we were able to get over and work with during this project, Jenny, one of our beehives, had randomly all of a sudden ended up being gluten intolerant. We were able to switch one of the desserts out that we had that was originally donuts and ice cream to a popsicle, which we found out was luckily gluten-free. Sally, one of our other beehives, her mother had to work late, which means she wasn't able to be picked up in the planned ride that we had for her. We were able to integrate her successfully into the activities without ruining the flow for other participants. However, as mentioned earlier, one of our less active girls, Shane, she canceled showing last minute, so she wasn't able to be part of the activities. Resources that contributed to this activity were Sister Burton bringing additional treats unexpectedly. That was a really nice bonus. Sister Brown wasn't able to carpool with her minivan. This contributed to not being able to pick as many people up at the same time, so picking up took longer than anticipated. Gas was $2.15 per gallon, which contributed to not spending as much to gas. Donuts and ice cream were relatively cheap, although, again, donuts were a little bit more over what we thought they were going to be. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.